Hi guys, this is Dr. Vstrom and this is another 1 minute tip of the day video for you. Today's subject is replacing a few Phillips screws with better quality Allen ones in various locations on the motorcycle. If you want to replace those or even more, you can remove the ones that you are interested, take them into a hardware store and find matching ones, matching sizes ones, and then replace them. Here you can see two examples. On the left you can see the Phillips screw replaced by an Allen screw for the brake fluid reservoir, and on the right a Phillips screw replaced by an Allen screw for the chain guard. So the first set of Phillips screws that have been replaced by better quality Allen ones are on the chain guard, the first one over here and the second one over here. These two on the brake fluid reservoir are the ones on the bar weights that you see here. The last one again is on the right side handguard. It's an Allen bolt that replaced the previously used Phillips screw. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe.